In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and change document author in Excel. If you want to update the author information attached to an Excel file, this is a quick and useful setting to know. The author field is part of the file's document properties, and it can help identify who created or edited a workbook. This is especially helpful when you're sharing files with a team, organizing internal documents, or simply keeping your workbook details accurate. To begin, open your Excel workbook and look at the top left area of the screen. Click File. This will take you away from the worksheet view and into Excel's File menu, where you can manage settings, properties, and other workbook details. Once you're in the File menu, click Info. The Info section is where Excel displays important details about the current workbook. You'll usually find file-related information here, including permissions, version history, in some cases, and document properties. After clicking Info, look over to the right side of the screen. This is where you'll be able to see the author information for the file. If an author has already been assigned, their name will appear there. This is the section you'll use to review the current author details before making any updates. To add or change the author, click Add an Author. Then type the name you want to use and press Enter on your keyboard to add that person. Once you do that, the new author will appear in the author list for the workbook. If you're updating file ownership or attributing the document to someone else, make sure the name is entered correctly, since this information becomes part of the document metadata. As a quick tip, if you're working in a shared environment, it's a good idea to double-check the author field before sending the file out, especially if the workbook was created from a template or originally belonged to someone else. That helps keep the document details clean and professional, and that's all it takes to add or update the document author in Excel. It only takes a few clicks, and it's a simple way to make your workbook information more accurate and easier to manage.